Good morning, students. Today we concentrate upon the task 1, that is all about line graphs. So here is a report body that is given to us. So we should write them into the words and tell about the trend. So there are the different trends here. So we can elaborate it into the words. So what the graph shows. First of all, see the heading please. The graph above shows the number of tourists visiting a particular Caribbean island between 2010 to 2017. So here they giving the data about a Caribbean island. So between they given the years like that 2010 to 2017, they have given the years. So all the data was recorded in the past. So they have given the different trends, so we have to compare it. So there are the different symbols here, so you can see that the first symbol is given here is all about a dotted and a rectangular. They said about the visitors staying on a cruise ships, and the next symbol here is given about the visitors staying on island, and then there is a total. So mostly they have given three things, and with the help of these three things we should tell about the trend. So here they have given the years 2010 to 2017 the data, and here they given the million of visitors that visits to the Caribbean island. So here we should write a report body. So the figure of the visitors staying on cruise ships represented 500,000 by 2011. So in 2011 data, here you can see that 500,000 that here is given is 0.5. So we should call them 500,000 of data was recorded. That is the visitors staying on cruise ship was 0.5 million. That is we also know them as a 500,000. The next thing they show that the total number of visitors accounted for 3.5 million by the end of the period. So you can see that this trend, the total trend is among the highest trend it shows. So it trend shows that it has total number of visitors accounted for 3.5 million here. So by the end of the period. The next is that the proportion of visitors who stayed on an island saw a leveling off from 2013 to 2015. So here you can see that there is 2013 to 2015 among the cruise ships and among staying on island. They show the stability here. So they show a stability here. So here we can say that it's a sort of a leveling off. What is a leveling off? Leveling means a kind of a steadiness, a kind of a uniformness it shows. The next trend this shows, according to the graph, total visitors number saw a significant increase throughout the time frame. So as you can observe that here, the total number of visitors that visit in the Caribbean island shows a significant increase. What is the meaning of significant? That means a dramatic increase in the total time period. That it was already given here, that was 3.5 million. And regarding those who stayed on cruise ship, this figure witnessed some fluctuation from 2010 to 2013. As you can observe here, like 2010 to 2013 in cruise ships, it shows the fluctuation. You can see that a zigzag pattern here. We call them as fluctuations, or also we can change the word into the oscillation. Okay. The next is by the end of the period, the figure of visitors who stayed on cruise ships amounted to 2 million. As you can saw that among 2000 and among 2014 to 17, you can see here there is a significant time period where the total amount of people who visited to the Caribbean island was 2 million. Here they have recorded is 2 million. So by the proportion of visitors staying on an island number 1.5 million by the end of time frame. So here you can also observe the proportion of visitors who stayed on island. So here is an island. So here they have given a time period, that is a total number of. The total number of in 2007 you also recorded here as a number of time period. The number of millions, how much millions here is 3.5 million. 3.5 million visitors who stayed in 2017 was also recorded here. So in the last thing is the mid of the 2015 that stayed on island were equal to those who stayed on cruise ship and just was under 5 million. In the mid of 2015, as you can see here, it is just equivalent to in the cruise ship and in the island. It is almost equivalent. It is almost same. It is similar. So here they have written by mid 2015 the visitors that stayed on island were equal to those who stayed on cruise ship. Means their proportion, their ratio, their millions, it was same. So it shows it's same. So I think so this is clear to all. These are the trends. They have elaborate it into the different things, as it is not important that each and every line you should write by your own, that in the cruise ship it started from here, then it shows the fluctuation, and you can also tell upon each and every trade. Just take this portion and tell them into your report body, BP1, and in the second you can also report tells another report body into the cruise ship. So in this way you can just compare your data from one thing to the another thing, and it will increase your bank score. Thank you so much.